Hello, this is Chef and Nick here at the Sun Valley Auto Club, and we're going to do a paint meter video on our 1970 Mercury Marquis. It's a original paint car, so it's just worth a video going through, showing you the paint levels and showing you how great this metal is. So paint meter, this registers the distance between the material and the metal. It says 1.3. Factory paint is about 4.5. So this is ones almost all the way across, and that's just from years of buffing, sun, etc. So really thin paint, but super consistent. And why that's important? So 1.1 down here in the rust areas, 1.1. Because this car has no Carfax, you know, this just shows that there's no Bondo, hasn't been any wrecks. Sometimes when I go to shows, go to auctions, it just smells like a paint booth in there. Everyone just gets done painting their cars. You really have no idea what's underneath that paint. So that's a repaint level 11. With a little Bondo smear, that's a repaint 6.1. So factory would be 4.5. So when you're getting a car like this, 1.4, got that sunlight beating down on it. 1.7. So body work is really expensive. You want a car that's not going to come undone on you. Looks good when you buy it, and 6 months later you have rust growing out from underneath the Bondo. Not the case in this car. It's really consistent all the way through. The other reason why you're buying this is for its style, nostalgia. And when you get into an old car, you want it to be, you know, the car that you remember from your childhood, from your experiences. If it's a car that's been taken apart, put back together, a lot of times they just don't have the same feel they did in the day. This is a survivor car, original paint, non-molested, non-painted, really consistent numbers. It's a 1.1 all the way throughout. 0.9 on that. So we're gonna do a walk around video, test drive, under video. So if this is the first video you're seeing, there's more to show you. I'm Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. I can be reached at 208-721-1973.
Also, you can reach Nick. My cell number is 563-676-8225.
Talk to you soon.